To watch the latest from India Science, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications on all the science-related videos.
Hello, I'm Harsha Sharma and welcome to today's COVID Bulletin. COVID-19 vaccine is in need of the hour. Scientists from all over the world are trying to develop the vaccine for this deadly disease. Recently, Covaxin, the COVID-19 vaccine being developed by Bharat Biotech in collaboration with Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR), has received approval for conducting final phase trials. Drug Controller General of India permitted the company after assessing data from phase 1 and phase 2 trials along with animal trials. The phase 3 trials of final phase trials of Covaxin will likely start from the next month, and it will involve 28,500 volunteers from 10 states. The subjects will be given 2 doses of the experimental vaccine within a gap of 28 days. Defense Research and Development Organization has designed and developed a device to deactivate viruses and bacteria in heating, ventilation and air conditioning system. The device is called Virus Falcon and it uses ultraviolet C-band light and superoxide ions to kill the viruses in centralized air conditioning building. The testing was done by taking air samples before and after switching on the air AC units, and it was found that there were 94% reduction in bacterial infection and a 91% reduction in fungal infection. Animal models are required to understand how a pathogen is impacting the human body and its various organs. And for developing effective treatments and vaccines, mouse models becomes crucial for preclinical trials. When the SARS-CoV-2 virus enters the human body, it binds to angiotensin converting enzyme 2 or ACE2 enzymes to enter the cells. However, there is a structural difference between enzymes in mouse and human beings, and hence they become inappropriate for studying the infections of coronavirus. The Mouse Genome Engineering Facility at the Bangalore Life Science Cluster has designed 3 different sets of ACE2 mouse models to overcome the problem. The first model, named TG-K18HACE2 or BLISC mouse, is a humanized model expressing the human ACE2 gene in the lung airways as well as the other organs. The second model is a targeted knock-in HACE2-KI model, in which the mouse ACE2 gene is replaced by the human ACE2 gene. And in the third mouse, the entire ACE2 gene is removed, which makes it resistant to COVID-19 disease. The project was implemented by DBT Institute for Stem Cell Science and Regenerative Medicine in collaboration with National Center for Biological Sciences, NCBS Animal Care and Resource Center, and Mouse Genome Engineering Facility. These mouse models will allow researchers to understand the ways to block infections, understand the short and long-term effect of the virus on different organs of the body. This will help Indian researchers to immediately test their ideas on how to combat the SARS-CoV-2 virus and make essential contributions to stop this pandemic. That's all for now. You can share your feedback and suggestions to us on the email ID flashing on your screens. And for more such videos, download India Science app or visit our website www.indiascience.in. And do not forget to follow us on social media. We'll be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. Namaskar.